So hey friends, what's up? I'm back with another video. In this video I'll talk about the newly released products of Xiaomi. So let's get straight into the video. Firstly, it has launched Redmi Note 7 that comes with Snapdragon 660 and 12 plus 5 megapixel dual camera. And also it comes with a dark notch, and Redmi Note 7 Pro is also launched by Xiaomi. And Redmi Note 7 comes with 48 megapixel beast camera and same dark notch with 6.23 inches display, that's full HD plus, and its price starts from 14,000, and Redmi Note 7's price starts from 10,000. It has also launched the Splash waterproof Bluetooth headphones. That earphones are sweat-proof IPX4, and it starts within the time period of 7 days or 9 days. Xiaomi has also launched 4A Pro TV that's 32 inches with 1 GB RAM and 8 GB internal storage. Its price is 13,000 and it comes with HD ready display that's considerable to price, and it has same password system as its previous TVs, and also it is an Android TV that's based on Google Assistant. So this TV is considerable to the price, and if you like this you can buy. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. So let's meet in the next video.